In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can reset or factory reset your smartphone in order to erase old data. And so you're gonna have your smartphone like new. You can resell it, you can give it to someone else without risking the loss of data, personal information, personal data. So what we need to do here is really easy. Now, first thing, I suggest you connect your smartphone to a PC so that you can actually access by allowing the USB transfer files. So you can transfer everything you need to save in another hard disk, which could be the hard disk that you have installed on your computer. So you can see now my smartphone is completely empty or almost empty because I have already done the factory reset. So you can see here it's completely free and almost new smartphone. So I can basically start from the beginning. So what I usually do here, now this is the hard disk, is I usually go into this folder here, which is DCIM, and you will find all the pictures and the videos that you can copy and then paste in another folder in your computer. Now we made other videos about this, so you can check it in the channel. I will also give a look to the download, to the music, to the pictures, and other images that I probably saved when I used like other apps like WhatsApp or Telegram or Instagram and whatever. So you can see here, this is a completely empty smartphone, and I only have like the standard apps because I've already erased it. And so I will show you, once you finish to back up your files, to create a backup copy to be sure not to lose anything, then you can go here and go into the settings. So you can go by scrolling from top to down and pressing this little icon right here, or you can just go into the all the apps that you have installed, look for the little engine icon here, the settings. You can click there, and now what we're gonna do is go into the system right here, and you can go in the reset options, and here we're gonna select erase all data factory reset. So if you click there and then you click on erase all data right down at the bottom, now you need to insert your PIN and the process is gonna start right away. That's really simple, and this is gonna eliminate everything from your smartphone. So this will be all for this real quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Check our other video guides about smartphones and also software, various multimedia software in the channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, stay updated, join if you want to support us, and see you in the next video guide.